Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we have a Hot Wheels K Case. This literally just came in. I'm excited to bust it open. It is a little bit damaged. There's some like big scrapes and stuff on it. Some dings on this side. But if anything happens, if we get any damaged Hot Wheels, just another reason to put them on the 6-lane raceway. I'm going to go ahead and cut part of the seal on this. There we go, and let me go ahead and lay this down and go ahead and bust it open. Let's see, don't want to cut any cars inside. There we go. Alrighty. There we go, and we're just going to go ahead and start off right up on top. They're kind of like sitting there and they're really weird. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we have the 62 Corvette Gasser, and this one's actually a little damaged. I do already have one of these opened, unfortunately. The tuned 83 Chevy Silverado, and then the Hot Wheels Papa Wheelie. It's actually pretty cool. It's kind of interesting. Like the main car is made to be run in the wheelie position, and there is no front tire. It's just like a little nub. So that's actually pretty cool. Alright, next. Alright, so we have another 62 Corvette Gasser. Then we have a Roland Solo. And then the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. And this time we have it in white with blue decals. We did previously see this in black, so it's actually kind of cool to see it in a cool white color. Next three. Alright, so we have the Sweet Driver, Honda Super Cub Custom, and then the Corvette C7 Z06. Actually looks really nice with like that. It's like a dark kind of charcoal with silver stripes. Actually looks really good. Next up, we have the Batman Animated Series Batmobile, the Nissan Maxima Drift Car, and the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. All three of these we actually saw in the same color in the previous case, so kind of interesting. Alright, next up we have the 72 Stingray Convertible, the 84 Mustang SVO, and then the Hot Wheel Braille Racer, which we see this kind of like an almost a Zamac color, but it's not a Zamac. And it has the Braille on the packaging and then all over the car. Alright, so now we have the Dodge Viper RT10 in purple, the Solero GT, and the tuned twin mill. Alright, so next up we have the Brick and Motor, and then the Surf and Turf. It's actually kind of a cool color there, cool designs and color scheme. And then the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. Alright, so we have a Mach-It Go, Batman Animated Series Batmobile, and then the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. So the 87 Dodge D100, it's actually like in a bright pink with a really cool kind of race livery there on the side. That's actually pretty interesting. And then the Mod Speeder, and then the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. Alright, so then we have the Count Muscula, and then the 82 Toyota Supra. This is actually the previous Super Treasure Hunt, and I actually did not really get too many of these. And then another Count Muscula. Oh, and we actually have an error. Wow, that's interesting. I noticed the package felt kind of weird, and honestly, I was actually hoping to open this to be able to put on my 6-lane raceway, but I don't know if you can see right there, a double blister on that one. That's actually really interesting. See how far out it sticks, and it's like all crushed and kind of mangled on the underside because there's, you might be able to see it a little bit better there. 2 blisters on that one. That's actually really cool, and what a cool car to have an error on. Wow, that's actually really awesome. Let me just set that aside so that nothing happens to it. Alright, so we have the Chrysler Pacifica, the Honda Civic Custom, and the Rescue Duty. And then we have the Quick Bite in green. That actually looks really cool. And then another Batman Animated Series Batmobile. And another Honda Civic Custom. Wow, it's actually really cool though to get that error because I don't really get too many errors. And previously I actually had a couple errors on some Amazon Black Box treasure hunts. So that was really cool. Alright. Kind of falling everywhere here. Alright, so we have another Hot Wheels Braille Racer. And then the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. And a tuned 83 Chevy Silverado. Alright, so we have the Mad Splash. And then we have the new Barbie 1956 Corvette. And that actually looks really cool, and obviously it's themed for that new Barbie movie that's coming out. So that's actually really cool. I might open this, put it on the raceway. We will see. It's actually in really good condition, so maybe if I get another one, I might do that. And then we also have the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Alright, so then we have the Limited Grip. That actually looks really cool. And then the Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. I really like that color, and it is in perfect condition, but we might be seeing that in upcoming like race series because I would love to kind of run that on the track, and it does look really cool. And then the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 was finished in white before, and now we have it in orange. Alright. So we have the Dune Crusher, the Brick and Delivery, and another Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. Ooh, this is actually a really big car. It's the power panel, but I mean, look at the size of that compared to other cars. This thing is absolutely enormous. It's actually pretty interesting. It has like real sponsors on it, so it's interesting. Another Count Muscula, and then a Lightning Bug. Alright, so an 84 Mustang SVO, El Segundo Coupe, and if you don't know, this is actually the car that the Clip Coupe was modeled after. And this exact one is the same exact color scheme as one of the recent ones. Black with the gold accents and the gold base and everything. So that's actually a really cool car. So I'm going to put that with my coupe clip. And then a Porsche 911 GT3, which looks really good. Ooh, okay. So we have a 1983 Chevy Silverado, and that looks also really nice. It has the red, yellow, a little bit of brown on a black car or black truck. We have another Barbie Corvette. This one's also in like perfect condition. So I might open one of these and then keep the other one in the package still. And then a Mazda 787B and a really cool kind of like, not really a maroon, not really like a full red. It's kind of like a little bit of an in-between, kind of like a subtle red. Actually looks really good. We did see that in blue before, and that looks really cool too. Alright, so then we have the Drone Duty, the custom 2011 Camaro, and then the BMW 507 finished in a really nice red. We actually saw that in white before, so it's kind of cool sometimes seeing really cool cars in different colors. Ooh, okay, we got another Supra. So we have another 1982 Toyota Supra. This one is not an Air. And then we actually have two 84 Pontiac Firebirds. Alright, so then a 2017 Audi RS6 Avant, Porsche 911 GT3, and then a tuned twin mill. Next we have the Sweet Driver, and then we have a Lucid Air finished in black, and then a Mod Speeder, and the final three cars. Dang, okay. We had a custom 2011 Camaro, a Lucid Air, and a limited grip. What's actually kind of interesting is we did not even have the regular variant of the Super Treasure Hunt. It was supposed to be like a purple Shelby, and we didn't even get that. So it's actually really interesting because if you don't get the Super, normally you get the regular variant, and then they replace the regular with the Super when they swap it out in the box. But that box is empty, and we didn't even get the regular. Did not get the regular Treasure Hunt as well. So it's actually kind of a little disappointing. Because sometimes if you don't get the Super, at least you can get the regular Treasure Hunt. And it was the, I think, Toyota, like, Land Cruiser truck, something like that. I was actually really hoping to get that. But I do have some Amazon black boxes I'm going to be able to get. As you can see, I do a bunch of those case unboxings as well. I might actually pick up another Case K. So stay tuned because there will... Actually, no, I'm probably going to go ahead and pick up another one. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you can see when that video goes live. Also, like I said, I'm going to be getting Case K Amazon black boxes. And those videos are going to be obviously coming to this channel. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.